Hello everyone, Oscam here. Just another video today about the eBay sales. I have an eBay account and I do sell stuff on eBay, but this is some information that I want to give you in Australia. There is some good eBayers who are selling, running their shops, but like small eBayers like us who want to get rid of our old stuff, or we have a small few items that we want to sell. Is it worth it selling? If you are not making money, why would you? I have a few t-shirts here, fairly good condition. That's been used, but it's a once or twice. And there's another one here, it's a brand new one. I picked up from the Solvo store. And there is another one here, as you can see, it's a very new one, never been used. And I have got them on eBay, but I don't even see people are viewing them. How would you sell it if you don't get a view? Here you go, some more stuff. As you can see, there is a phone covers. There's only few. I've got more in the garage, about 2 bags. They've all been imported from China. As you can see, a watch here, Casio watch, some DVDs. That's VR headphone set. They're all listed on eBay, but I don't see any interest of people are buying them. So many phone covers here. Not even one I managed to sell for over the last 2.5 months. You can see more phone covers here, hundreds. So that is the stuff that I've just showed you guys. As you can see, all this stuff are sitting down, and then there is no buyer. So what should we sell on eBay? What is gonna sell? That is very important to understand. See, all you can see the stuff that I've showed you. Some of them I picked up for a few bucks, and all this phone cover, I've been fortunate because there's a phone shop just closed down and they offered me like 300 phone covers, so I picked it up for free. I was just gonna see if I can sell some of them. Just it was worth to pick it up just to have a look, just for an experience purpose. That was my main goal. So I didn't manage to even sell one. So it tells you the story. This is not the right products. So what we should be selling on eBay? What I have seen so far, the stuff with petition. Like for me, someone trying to sell these phone covers is very hard because I'm not a phone shop owner or eBay shop owner or something like that. So as soon as I'm gonna post an item, my item is gonna be like a 27th page. Even if I want to go and have a look at and have a search and I can't find it, how the other people is gonna find it? So these days, all is a business, especially for eBay. If you put a promote, if you do an advertisement for your stuff, they take money from you. That's how they make the money. They take a big chunk of what you're gonna sell. So you have to understand, this is all business. It's not about me and you or any other small shop that who wants to sell them their stuff. So if you are a new eBayer or you want to sell stuff on eBay, just be careful how much you invest, because the return is going to be very small, and even though you sell few things, it's going to be eaten away. Your profit is going to be eaten away by PayPal and eBay. So all is about themselves. Found an Apple TV or something like that, and then in the footpath, and then you sell $100, yeah, that's probably worth it. Other than that, if you want to import from China and you want to sell it here, it's quite a very few people who are actually successful in Australia. Especially the population are so small that it's not enough people who are buying from eBay. So that's what I have learned from past 11 years being on eBay. I buy stuff from eBay. I would not buy anything more than $10. That's the maximum. And I'm trying to selling stuff as well, the stuff that I don't need. I'd rather give away, the amount of hassle that you have to go through posting photos and writing all these descriptions and all these kind of things, then it doesn't sell. And it will sell, of course. If you put a 99 cents or give it for free, it's gonna sell. But what is the point of doing that? Is that actually worth it? Somebody's doing, and they are making 20,000 sales a day, but we can't compete with them. It's like someone like Hogan or something like that, or some guys who invested a couple of $100,000 and bought every single phone cover that you can buy in Australia, and they have every single phone cover, and they have every single screen protector. If you can invest like that, yes, probably. Yeah. Other than that, just don't waste your time. If you have some stuff at home that you want to get rid of, in that case, it's probably okay. I would rather prefer Facebook Marketplace or the Gumtree, which is owned by eBay as well. But Gumtree is still good. You don't have to pay any percentage at this moment. In the future, we don't know what happened. So I'm just gonna be finishing my video here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other dashcam videos and my other review videos and stuff like that. I hope you have a good day. Thank you.